Hello, my name is Michelle, and today I received my first Trendsend. This is my fourth fashion subscription box that I have tried, and I have been sharing the boxes that I've been receiving here on YouTube, and it's been a lot of fun. It lets me share the clothes that I'm trying on with my mom, who lives in a different town, so that's fun. Hi, Mom. Some things that stood out to me about Trendsend were that you actually do get styled by a stylist, and they try to design outfits for you, minus shoes, but there's no styling fee. And second, that they actually have a store, a physical brick and mortar store, not in the state where I live, but brick and mortar store, and they have an online store, so you can kind of see what's in their inventory before you even decide to do a Trendsend. So that's nice. So here it is. Full disclosure, this is my second box. I actually received a box last week from Trendsend, and I did the whole unboxing and recorded it, but everything was not in my size. And I loved everything. Well, I mean, I loved most of the things. There was one outfit in there that actually was exactly something that I had pinned, and the stylist even mentioned the outfit that I pinned, and that's why they picked the things that they did for my outfit. But the sizing was all off. So I thought that maybe I did my style profile wrong, but I didn't. There was just a mistake. I emailed them about it, and they got this box ready to go and sent it out as soon as I put everything else in the mail. And super nice. They're actually offering me 15% off this order if I decide to buy anything for the accident that happened. So that's really generous. So I have no idea what is in this box, though. I kind of hope that I get at least the outfit that I was really excited to try on. I did not try on any of those clothes because I knew that I wasn't going to be able to keep them. So I don't know what's in here. Just got it today. They didn't indicate to me in the email that they were going to send me the same exact things. I probably should have asked for some of the things, but oh well, we'll see what we get. So, like I said, they style outfits for you. So I have two bundles here. Here's my first bundle, and here's my second. So these definitely aren't the same items that I received in the first box because these are much smaller bundles, but okay. All right. So the person who styled the first box that I got where nothing fit and I had to send everything back, her name was Michelle too, but this is Sydney. So Sydney designed two outfits for me. So let's start with this little skinny bundle. This Peyton Jensen chiffon tee. Oh my gosh, so cute. I don't have anything I have a lot of horizontal stripes, but no vertical stripes. And it has a keyhole in the back. That's pretty. And that is to be paired with this Allison Joy-Joelle satin tie front, I guess. I don't know if they're supposed to go together. I need to actually read the thing. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Look at that sleeve. I've never seen a shirt like this. It's so pretty. And it has a keyhole back. Oh, keyhole in the front, keyhole in the back. And a tie there. Oh my gosh. This shirt is adorable. I hope that this fits. First, I sent you two top options. I think this will look... For your second top, I sent you the Peyton Jensen, a great staple item to have in your wardrobe that will look perfect paired with either two tops I sent you. Okay, and she sent this Vivian Vegan Mini Skirt by Peyton Jensen. I definitely don't have anything like this in my closet. So, we'll see about that. I mean, it's kind of short, so I can't wear this in the winter. I won't be able to wear this until next summer, but she's right. It could be a good go-to staple. So excited about this blue top. Oh my. All right. So those are actually... So it's supposed to be two tops with that skirt, I guess. I wanted to send you something easy to dress up or dress down. Perfect colors for the holiday season. And lastly, I wanted to include I think this is all supposed to go together. All right, let's see. Okay, pants. Nice. Black pants. Oh my gosh. Of course they're black because I really need black pants. Yay. Yay. These are cut from the Kloth. High rise Mia skinny. Oh, these look really nice. Okay. Hope this fit. I have problems with pants. Fitting all the time. All right, are these 2 shirts? Yeah. Okay, but she, oh my gosh, how nice of her. She took the time to stuff this blouse inside this sweater so that I knew how to wear it. But this, oh my gosh, this sweater is so soft and it goes really great with this black top. It reminds me of Halloween, but that's okay. Halloween comes again. Halloween will come again. All right, this, let's pull this shirt out actually. Okay, here's this shirt, blouse, and it's super nice. It is the raindrops? Oh, Cloth and Stone raindrops button down. The prices for all these items will be in the description below. It's cute. Then this orange sweater is the Stitches and Stripes. Color's tomato. It looks orange to me. Doesn't it look orange? But the color is tomato, and tomatoes are red, so maybe in a different light it will look more red. I don't know. Or, I don't know. Or I ended up with something marked tomato, but it's really supposed to be orange. Or maybe there are orange tomatoes out there that I don't know of. I'll just have to check this one out. I would have liked to get it in red. Actually, I would have really loved to get it in red because with Christmas coming up. But we'll see. So let's get to the try-on. Okay, what do you think about these trends that Trendsend sent me? I think there's some real winners in there. My favorite item, surprisingly, you know, it doesn't look like much coming out of the box, but I really liked how versatile that this little white top was, and it's actually on sale, so you can't beat that. It's only 20 bucks right now, normally 58. So that seems like a steal. I really liked everything in this box except the orange sweater was kind of a miss for me. I felt like a pumpkin. It was cute, and I think it kind of looked cute on, like the cut of it, but I wish it was in red, and then being paired with the black, that it reminded me of Halloween, and I just felt like a pumpkin, but that was it. The blue top and the skirt I really liked too, but I think I need to size down in both of those things. So what did you guys think about this Trendsend? It was a lot of fun, and I am looking forward to doing Trendsend again. And I apologize for probably all of the editing that's going to happen in this video, or happened, that you just watched, because a lot of movement was going on with my dogs and me trying to figure out how I even wanted to format this video. So thanks for sticking around. I know that these videos are not very great, but thank you so much for being super nice to me. Anyway, see you in the comments and see you later. Bye-bye.